the winner at 235 pounds from Copper Hills High School, Gracie Simmons. Jace, can you go to mat 6, please? Jace, can you go to mat 6? Andrew Jensen of American Fork. The coach for Andrew Jensen of American Fork, mat 14. American Fork coach, mat 14. We need a UMOC coach, mat number 13. UMOC coach, mat number 13.